As I walked down the bustling street, I noticed a commotion ahead. A lone black kite lay motionless on the pavement, surrounded by a cacophony of squawking from a nearby flock. The other kites, either out of curiosity or aggression, were swooping down, trying to beat him or catch him up. Feeling a pang of compassion, I hurried over and gently scooped up the injured bird, shielding it from the chaos above. Cradling the kite in my hands, I sought refuge in a nearby green belt, finding solace under the shadow of a nearby plant. As I inspected the kite, I couldn't help but notice its calm demeanor despite the situation. Though wary at first, it didn't lash out when I touched it with care. I observed a defect in its right eye and noticed damage to its wings, rendering it unable to fly. Suddenly, the kite stirred and stood up before me, a glimmer of determination in its remaining eye. As I watched the injured kite regain its strength, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe at its resilience. Noticed damage to its wings, rendering it unable to fly. With a burst of newfound energy, it took flight, soaring away from me. In the distance, I saw a multitude of black kites flying overhead, a reminder of the harsh realities of survival in the urban jungle. But for now, in this quiet corner of greenery, one lone kite had found a moment of peace amidst the chaos.